As a budgie bird owner, you know that biting is a common behavior that can be frustrating and even dangerous. But with the right knowledge and techniques, you can effectively address this issue and build a stronger bond with your feathered friend. In this video, we'll share insights and tips on how to understand the root causes of biting behavior and knowledge you need to help your bird overcome this biting behavior. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Reason number 1: fear or defensiveness. Budgies or birds bite when they feel fearful or threatened. Tips to correct this behavior. It's important to create a calm and safe environment for your budgie or bird. Gradually introduce your budgie or bird to new experiences, objects, and people, using positive reinforcement to encourage calm behavior in fearful situations. Reason number 2: establishing dominance. Budgies or birds may resort to biting to establish dominance over other birds or humans. Tips to correct. Dominance-related biting involves establishing yourself as the leader through consistent training and positive reinforcement. Set clear boundaries and rules for your budgie or bird, rewarding good behavior and redirecting biting onto appropriate toys or patches. Reason number 3: stress or discomfort. Biting can be a response to stress or discomfort in budgies or birds. Tips: identify and address potential stresses such as loud noises or overcrowding. Regularly assess your budgies or birds' physical health, ensuring a well-balanced diet and access to fresh water. Consult a vet if needed to rule out any underlying health issues. Reason number 4: lack of socialization or training. Insufficient socialization or training can contribute to biting behavior. Tips: spend dedicated time with your budgie or bird, engaging in positive interactions and handling. Gradually expose your budgie or bird to different people, environments, and experiences. Utilize positive reinforcement techniques to reward non-biting behavior and discourage biting. Reason number 5: protective behavior. Female budgies or birds, especially when nesting, may exhibit territorial aggression and bite to protect their eggs or young. Tips: respect your budgies or birds' need for privacy during nesting periods and minimize disturbances. Provide a suitable nesting area with appropriate materials to reduce stress and aggression. We hope that the insights and techniques shared in this guide have been helpful in addressing this common issue that bird owners face. Remember, with patience, consistency, and the right approach, you can effectively stop your bird from biting and build a stronger bond with your feathered friend. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. If you have any question or comment, please feel free to share with us. Thank you for watching.